Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today let us learn the consonant blend, two-letter consonant blend, or sometimes they may have three consonant blends also. So these consonant blends, they make, see for example, for FL, F gives fa sound, L gives L sound, but together when they blend together it gives fla sound. That's why children feel difficult with these blending sounds. So teachers and my dear parents, make them to know the individual sounds and then help them to practice the words with initial blends. Okay, so bring the awareness among them that what is the individual sound and what kind of sound it gives when the two consonant sound letters blend. Okay, now let us get started. Let's learn some words which start with fla. FL means fla, and say them together. Flower, flower, flower. R is silent here. Okay, flower. Fly, fly. Flag, flag. Flute, flute. Flame, flame. Flap, flap. Flat, flat. Float, float. Flush, flush. Flush, flush. So these words are not for memorize. Okay, actually children are confused with this blending sound, so they need practice. Go on practicing these words and they can know the consonant blend word families. And words with blends have a variety of vowels. For example, fla o, fla I, y, fla a, u. Like this way, there are different vowels sounds are blend with this consonant blend. So the pronunciation is depend upon the different vowels after the consonant blend. So these are not for memorize. That's why these are not for memorize. Let them read as much as words the children need. Okay, next let us go to the next page. Now let's try the next page. It's a matching. By this is it's like a worksheet for children. We can test them how much they have remembered from the previous lesson, previous page. So here, match the words to the picture. Fly. Where is fly? Yes. Flag. Flag. Flower. Flower. Float. 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 Flat. Flat. Flute. So these words needs more practice, reading practice. Children need to read more and more to become perfect. Now let us read the some sentences. This is quick reading. Quick reading means we have sight words. These are the sight words. The children who have completed LKG and who have entered into UKG, they should know the sight words. Nearly they should know 30 to 40 sight words. And after learning the sight words, if they learn all these blending sounds or consonant blend family words, it will be easy for them to read the small sentences. The fly can float. The flowers are on the flag. So it becomes easy for children when they read more and more, and they feel easy when they go to the first or second class. Hope you understood. Happy parenting. Please encourage your children to read more and more. Thank you for watching my video. Support your children. Even teachers and parents need to support our children. So encourage them to read more and more. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.